This is not how jerk chicken is supposed to be made, but wait till you see what happens when I do this. In my kitchen, sometimes I like to try things a little different. Hi, I'm Forsi, and this is Storytime and Cooking with Forsi. I started the way I always do, cleaned properly and seasoned with layers of flavor. But instead of grilling or baking, I did something unexpected. I fried it. And what came out of that pan was something I didn't expect. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and full of that jerk flavor. Then I brought it together with peppers just to finish it off. This might not be traditional, but it works. And if you've been watching, supporting, thank you for helping me to reach 1,000. If this felt like home, there's another story waiting for you.